e4? Then what?
Well, I'm rather underqualified to answer such a thing, but a very common response here would be c5, the Sicilian Defence. I'd suggest playing c3, the Alapin.
But what if they go here?
Yes, this is the Alapin main line. I would play e takes d5. If they recapture with their queen, this is called the Barmen Defence. Here, play it cool with knight f3. Should they pin with bishop g4, unpin with the bishop, and kick it with the pawn. And if they don't pin your knight on f6, play knight a3 and bishop c4 to attack the queen.
But what if they go here?
Without question, I would push the pawn to e5, attacking the knight. And if they go to knight d5, I'd play d4 and knight f3.
But what if they go here?
The Sicilian Sabertooth. I'll have to call it that, you see. Yes. That'll get an Italian response. Knight f3 and bishop c4.
And here?
A silly Sicilian early queen pounce. This too gets an Italian response.
What if they go here?
That's a d4. And if you can, play d takes c5. If they then play d5, look for f3 and b4 to rebuild your pawn structure.
And what if they go here?
That's a d4. If they take the d-pawn, replace with c takes d4, develop normally, all is well. Also, if before or after the d-pawn exchange, they should play d5, then take it, because the centre.
But what if they go here?
That's a d4. If they play d5, take it, because the centre. Then if they take back with the pawn, get the kingside bishop into the field, play knight f3 and castle. But should they recapture with the queen, play the short, keep the bishop on the second rank.
But what if they go here?
My dear friend, that's a d4. As will be familiar, if they take your d-pawn, recapture with the c-pawn. If they play d5, take it, because the centre, looking for knight f3, bishop c4, and castling kingside.
But what if they go here?
Fret not, that's a d4 too. They're trying to play the Sicilian Dragon.
Oh, that sounds scary.
Not remotely. If they take the d-pawn, retake with your c-pawn. If they don't play d5, play knight f3 first, and then play d5 yourself.
And then what?
Then play chess.